the spacious living and the dining area. Here is your kitchen area. So basically this will be the open kitchen, ample of space to move around. You can set your bed over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at East Park Residencies, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Ramson's Trend Square. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus servant room model flat. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So now we are here on the actual land parcel, and just behind me over this side is this marketing office. And now about the land parcel where the construction work is going on is on my right hand side. So you can even check out the construction work. So about the construction and land parcel we'll be talking later on. Now before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So basically this project is coming up in total 6.5 acres of land parcel. So there will be total 6 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors having 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. And on the ground floor there are no vehicle zone. Now about the amenities, and this project provides you 60 plus world-class amenities, like there are 2 clubhouses. So this is the grand clubhouse with spa, AV room, saloon, gymnasium, and the outdoor amenities like here comes the temple, the garden area, open amphitheater, the second clubhouse with all these sports amenities, sports indoor amenities, pet park, kids play area, basketball court, tennis court, and many more. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Amblipura Sarjapur Main Road in Kodatti, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Amblipura Sarjapur Main Road, and this road will connect you towards Doddakananahalli, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Dhammasandra. And now let me tell you about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Decathlon Kodatti in just 200 meters. Upcoming metro station will be 500 meters away, and RGA Tech Park is just 1 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 4 BHK plus servants quarter of 2377 square feet super built up area. So let's have a look at it. So once you enter, you will be getting this 8-way door with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter, for the privacy, there is no direct living and dining area. This will be the foyer area. And now once you enter from this foyer area, here you'll be getting the spacious living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set the sofa set like this in front of the TV unit. And now just exactly behind this living area, here you can set your dining table like this. Now let's move further towards the balcony. So here you will be getting the huge balcony, that is the deck area. Once you enter, you can check out this wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now let's enter towards your kitchen area. So walking through your living area with the easy access to your dining table, here is your kitchen area. So basically this will be the open kitchen, so you can add up a serving platform like this over here. And once you enter the kitchen, here's a beautiful interior work done with the platforms, the cabinets, and the utility area is attached to this. So from here, this starts the utility area. And now let me show you, here's a window in the utility area for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now your utility area is attached to your servants' quarter. So this is your servants' quarter with anti-skid tiles over here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose over this side, and which is attached to the washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your bedroom spaces now. So your guest bedroom, that is the bedroom number 1, is on my right hand side. So once you enter over here, you can check out the bed space. Here comes the French window. The wardrobe space over this side. Here you can even add up your decor or else the TV unit. Now about the attached washroom. Yes, this bedroom is attached to the washroom as well. So this is your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now walking further towards your bedroom number 2. Now over this side is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter the bedroom, you can check out the space, and the interior speaks that it is a kid's bedroom. So it's a kid's bedroom and you can check out the bed space, the wardrobe space, the French window over here for ventilation and lighting purpose, and you can even add up your study table over this side. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 3. But before that, here comes your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now over this side is your bedroom number 3, and all the bedrooms will be having this 8-foot doors. Now once you enter, so you can check out again this French window with a bed space, wardrobe space over this side. You can add up your TV unit, and now this bedroom has attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now I know that you are waiting for the master bedroom as well. But before moving towards master bedroom, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free. And now about the master bedroom. And now this is the master bedroom, the spacious one. And once you enter, you can check out this room has ample of space to move around. You can set your bed over here. Here is the TV unit space. And now this bedroom has attached balcony as well. This is the balcony with anti-skid tiles, that is wooden finishing. Here comes the toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. And here let me show you, this will be the aluminium panel. Now let's move further. Over this side, the favorite part, the walk-in wardrobe, which is attached to your washroom. So with this side is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So this is all about your 4 BHK plus servants quarter in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Sarjapur location. Have you checked another project in this location? Again, do let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.